My confidence used to be, as working as a nurse, it's a little bit hard for me, losing my hair, going to work. But once after I got my hair, feel more empowered. Hi, my name is Elmer. I'm from the Philippines, born and raised, but now I'm based now in California, US. Feel more confident enough to talk to my patients, all the daily, of course, my friends as well. Researching all over the place, and part of that is one of the places that I did see is GRAFTLAB, which is basically the easy affordability, but also friendly staff, professional, and they're actually very, very good in communicating. So reason why I choose GRAFTLAB is they're very good.